How to use Lyft Pink membership feature. To use the Lyft Pink membership feature, you do not need to do anything manually. Or all eligible discounts, priority pickup upgrades, and pricing perks will automatically apply at the checkout once your subscription is active. So to activate this Pink membership, you have to launch your device's web browser or simply open the application itself and sign into your account. From there, you simply have to tap the profile icon on the menu button, then select the Lyft Pink option, then tap Join Now to select a monthly or annual plan. You simply have to link your premium credit cards and check the eligible or verify your eligibility. And once you subscribe to the plan itself, you can enjoy the benefits by simply launching the application and everything will be automated. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.